Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to the class once again. So today we will continue the chapter The Postmaster. I have given you work yesterday, word meanings and hard words. So I hope you have done that work. And today we will continue with the question and answers. Before that, I want to tell you the answers of your pick the correct option, which is on page number 41. So we will do that first. The postmaster felt new and strange at Ulapur. It means that he was used to live in a village. So answer number one ka A. So for one, there is A option. He was used to living in a village. Second question is, in order to while away his time, the postmaster D wrote verses and mixed with the workers at the indigo plantation. Wrote verses and mixed with the workers at the indigo plantation. Third one is, Ratan mastered all the alphabet, shows that she was intelligent and was keen to learn to read and write. Which one is correct? A. Third ka A. So question number 4 is, for a moment, the postmaster thought of going back to the village to join the post office again. No, bring Ratan along with him. So B is the correct answer. Now move on to the question and answer. So first part is, answer the following questions orally. So we have to complete this. Why did the postmaster come to live in Ulapur from Calcutta? The postmaster come to live in Ulapur from Calcutta. So you will write the answer. The postmaster, I will dictate the answer and you have to write those answers in your notebook. And first one is, why did the postmaster come to live in Ulapur from Calcutta? जो postmaster था वो क्यों कलकत्ता से उलापुर में रहने आया था? तो क्यों रहने आया था? As you all know कि उसकी क्योंकि वो ड्यूटी ज्वाइन करना चाह रहा था वहाँ पे जो उलापुर में एक नया पोस्ट ऑफिस था, जो नया पोस्ट ऑफिस वहाँ पे एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था, उसमें to take up his duties. That's why he came from Ulapur, from Calcutta to Ulapur. So what you are going to write the answer is, the postmaster came to live in Ulapur when a post office was established there by the owner of an indigo factory to take up his duty. You can skip this also. The postmaster came to live in Ulapur when a post office was established there and he came to take up his duties. And he came to take up his duties. So this is the answer of your question number 1A part. Then second question is, who used to do odd jobs for the postmaster? Who used to do the odd jobs for the postmaster? So Ratan used, you have to write instead of who, you have to write Ratan used to do odd jobs for the postmaster. Instead of who, you have to write Ratan, and that's it. Ratan used to do odd jobs for the postmaster. The next one is, how was the village affected by the incessant rains? कि जो विलेज था वो किस तरीके से अफेक्ट हुआ था लगातार बारिश की वजह से. So you will write, with the incessant rains you can write this answer from your textbook also, or I will dictate. With the incessant rains, canals and ditches were overflowed. With the incessant rains, canals and ditches were overflowed and the village road and The village roads become impassable. Become impassable. Impassable means जो विलेज रोड्स थे वो इम्पॉसिबल हो गए थे. इम्पॉसिबल मीन्स हम उससे गुजर नहीं सकते थे क्योंकि पानी ही पानी था सब जगह, इसकी वजह से. ठीक है, तो द विलेज रोड्स बिकेम इम्पॉसिबल. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज, वाज द पोस्टमास्टर डिलाइटेड टू रिसीव हिज ट्रांसफर ऑर्डर्स. जो पोस्टमास्टर था वो डिलाइटेड, बहुत ज्यादा खुश था अपने ट्रांसफर ऑर्डर्स को पाके. So yes, he was very delighted to receive the transfer orders. And what did he tell Ratan about his plans after he got them? और उसने रतन से क्या कहा जब वो ट्रांसफर ऑर्डर्स उसके पास आ गए. तो what did he tell Ratan about his plans after he got them? So what did he said? He told Ratan that he had to leave the next day. What he said? That he told Ratan that he had to leave the next day to go back home. So this is the answer of your question number 4. First of all, you will write, yes, the postmaster was delighted to receive his transfer orders, and he told Ratan that he had to leave the next day to go back home. So this is the answer of your question number 4. The next question is, what is indicated by the word idea? कि जो word idea बोला गया था, what an idea, तो वो उस जो वर्ड है आइडिया, उससे क्या हमें समझ आता है कि वो आइडिया वहां पर क्यों बोला गया, कि व्हाट एन आइडिया उस टाइम पे क्यों बोला गया कि हाँ ये बिल्कुल सही है कि तुम मेरे साथ चलोगी, राइट. तो ये ऐसा क्या इंडिकेट करता है, जो इंडिकेट आइडिया वर्ड है वो किसकी तरफ इंडिकेट करता है, क्या दर्शाता है, क्या दिखाता है हमें कि जो पोस्ट मास्टर था. तो द पोस्ट मास्टर सेड दिस टू रतन. ऑफ कोर्स वी नो कि जो पोस्ट मास्टर है उसने ये रतन को कहा था. द पोस्ट मास्टर सेड दिस आइडिया वर्ड टू रतन. एंड द वर्ड idea suggests, idea you have to write in inverted commas. The word idea suggests that it was not a thought but was acceptable to the postmaster. So you have to write, the word idea suggests that it was not a thought but that was acceptable to the postmaster. So this is the answer of question number 5. The next one is, did the idea have any effect on the speaker? कि जो आइडिया था उसका कोई प्रभाव पड़ा, इफेक्ट पड़ा स्पीकर पर. तो yes, the idea made the postmaster, yes, the idea, Ratan's reaction to the idea made the postmaster realize her grief. जो वो आइडिया वर्ड उसने बोला था उससे इफेक्ट पड़ा कि जो रतन का रिएक्शन था उस आइडिया वर्ड पे, और उससे पोस्टमास्टर को उसने रियलाइज करवाया कि जो उसका ग्रीफ, उसका जो दर्द है, एंड ही विश्ड देन टू कंसोल हर. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इज, रतन्स रिएक्शन टू द आइडिया made the postmaster realize her grief and he wished then to console her. He wished then to console her. So this is the answer of your question number 6. Now move on to the C part. There also we have some questions. So question number 1 is, how did Ratan become familiar with the postmaster's family though she had never met it? कि जो रतन थी वो किस तरीके से फैमिलियर थी पोस्टमास्टर की फैमिली से, जो पोस्टमास्टर का परिवार था उससे किस तरीके से वो घुल मिल सी गई थी, मतलब जैसे कि वो मिली हो उससे, लेकिन वो कभी भी उनसे मिली नहीं थी. शी नेवर मेट देम बिफोर. तो वो किस तरीके से familiar थी. So you will write the answer from here. The postmaster talked about the members of his family to Ratan, so soon she became familiar with the postmaster's family. So this is the answer of your question number 1 from C part. Then second question is, What did Ratan tell the postmaster about her own family? What did Ratan tell the postmaster about her own family? So this answer you have to write from page number 39, second para, fourth line. So you have to write, you have to open page number 39 before writing answer, and you have to open page number 39. After that, second para means you have to leave this first para and you have to move on to second para and line number 4. So you have to write Ratan had dim memories. Ratan had dim memories of her time spent with her parents and partially recollected how her father had been more fond of her than her mother, how she used to sit idly on the edges of a small pond playing fishing with her little brother. So this is the answer of your question number second. So you have to write this. And next one, move on to page number 42. Question number third, how do we come to know that the postmaster launched for his family? कि हमें किस तरीके से पता चलता है कि जो पोस्टमास्टर था वो अपनी फैमिली के लिए तड़पता था. So you will write this answer from here. The postmaster told his little companion, because there is another question, who became his companion. So we have add this in our answer only. The postmaster told his little companion Ratan about his family and his launching for them. So this is the answer of your question number 3. The next question is question number 4. How did Ratan take care of the postmaster when he fell ill? What do we come to know about Ratan's character from the details? कि how did Ratan take care of the postmaster when he fell ill? कि जो रतन थी उसने किस तरीके से पोस्टमास्टर की देखभाल की थी जब वो बीमार हुआ, और इससे हमें रतन के कैरेक्टर के बारे में इन डिटेल से क्या पता चलता है कि उसका जो नेचर था, बिहेवियर था, वो किस तरीके का था. So what you can write in this is I have written on for answer number 4, page number 39 you have to open. First of all, you have to open page number 39. There, just last line you have to last line of the page, last line of page number 39 means last paragraph. Of course, Ratan took great care. I hope you will get this answer on page number 39. And just after that, Ratan took great care of the postmaster with motherly affection. She called the doctor, gave him medicines, and ensured an apt diet so that he could recover quickly. And then one more question is there. What do we come to know about Ratan's character? So you will write after that, writing that answer. So you will write after that page number 39 and 40. After that, Ratan was a very compassionate and devoted girl. Ratan was a very compassionate and devoted girl. So this is the answer of your question number 4. Sorry. The next question is, how did Ratan react when the postmaster was about to leave? कि जो रतन थी उसने कैसा रिएक्ट किया जब पोस्टमास्टर वहां से जाने वाला था, और क्यों ऐसा रिएक्ट किया. So you will write this answer. I'll write the answer on board. So this is what was the question, कि उसका जो रिएक्शन था वो कैसा था जब वो जाने वाला था. कौन जाने वाला था? जो पोस्टमास्टर था अपने घर वापस, मतलब कलकत्ता वापस जा रहा था, तो उसका रिएक्शन कैसा था. So how did Ratan react when the postmaster was about to leave? So Ratan was very upset and sad. Ratan was very. So answer number 5 is Ratan was very upset and sad. Ratan was very upset and sad when the postmaster was about to leave. When the postmaster was about to leave, she cried bitterly. She cried bitterly. बहुत बुरी तरह से रोई. She cried bitterly and she cried bitterly as she had become as she had become very attached to the postmaster. So this is the answer of your question number 5. Fifth. The next question is, why did the postmaster feel a pain in his heart? Why did the postmaster feel a pain in his heart? So you are going to write the answer of this question is, why did the postmaster feel a pain in his heart? Because you have to write this from book, and then because I will write because he remembered the sad face of the girl. Sixth one is, you'll write from the book. Why? What is the question? Why did the postmaster feel a pain in his heart? So you will write the answer from the question itself. The postmaster felt a pain in his heart while he was leaving on a boat because, so you will write from the because, he remembered, because he remembered the sad face of the girl. So this is the answer of your question number 6. These are the question answers. I think all are finished, and one more exercise is there. Answer with reference to the context. So I'll dictate the answer of those questions. I will also go along with you. कि मैं भी आपके साथ आऊंगी या आऊंगा, जो भी है. Who said these words and to whom? किसने कहे थे ये words और किसको कहे थे? तो Ratan said these words to the postmaster. Ratan said these words to the postmaster. And where did the speaker desire to go? The speaker जो था वो कहाँ जाना चाहता था, कहाँ जाने का सोच रहा था और क्यों? The speaker desired to go with the postmaster because he was like family to her. Because he was like family to her. So this is the answer of your first context. Then second context is what an idea. What an idea. So who said this and to whom? So who said this? The postmaster said this, and to Ratan. So the postmaster said this to Ratan. The next one is, this is for you. Who said these words and to whom? The third context is, this is for you. Who said these words and to whom? Is, who said these words? Postmaster said these words to Ratan. The postmaster said these words to Ratan. And what is meant by this? This से आप क्या समझते हो कि this क्या है? What is meant by this? This is meant by the expenses which the postmaster was giving to Ratan. So this is the answer. What do we come to know about the speaker from these words? What do we come to know about the speaker from these words? तो आप क्या लिखोगे इसका कि हमें इससे स्पीकर के बारे में क्या पता चलता है तो we come to know about the speaker is a very caring person and very compassionate. So these are the answer of your context. So this is for today. So if you have any doubts, if you have any queries related to the chapter, you can ask me on WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group. So I will solve those queries or I will answer those queries. Thank you for today. Thank you for watching.